Hey there, thanks for watching. This is going to be a quick rundown of my first pass at a holiday gift giving budget. So I've been waiting to sort of take the time to sit down and do this, and I'm so glad that this video has given me a chance and sort of a deadline to sit down and get this done. So I can't believe that I haven't actually put one of these. So I've been keeping this binder since 2015, and I have never put a gift giving budget in this binder, and I can't really believe it. So I am happy to put this in there, and here it is. So it's just kind of, this is like a quick and dirty snapshot, kind of a draft of where I think I'm going to end up and how I think I want to allocate my funds for this year. So I kind of had like a rough budget of about $500, and this is how I'm going to try to split it up. And we may end up moving money from different categories, but this is how I'm going to try to divide it right now and kind of start looking ahead of time so I can be aware of things and maybe tuck away like gift ideas that may come up and be looking now, because the sooner you start, the easier it is. So the first category is family, and that would be like immediate family. I've got a small family, so I can kind of go a little bit bigger there, and it might not even end up being that big because my sister is actually in the process of buying a house, so I'm sure, and she's got like family, she lives down in Nashville, and I'm sure that she will have other people that she wants to buy for. So I haven't talked to her about it, but I'm sure that she might just end up saying, let's just wish each other a Merry Christmas and call it at that. So depending on what she says, that might change, but the amount that I have allocated so far is $300. The next category is coworkers and friends, and this year it's really, there are two coworkers that have kind of come into my life, and I love working with them. Like, I've never enjoyed working with people so much. It's been a long time since I've enjoyed working with people so much, and I just want to show them that I appreciate them. And they both have kids too, so I'm hoping to do something for them and then something for their kids, because I know if I had kids, like, I'd really appreciate that. So that's my plan there, and I'm going to allocate 40, possibly 50 in that category. The next category is everyone else, and it's a big category, but the reason is I would rather give someone something small that's not necessarily, that doesn't require a big outlay of money, but shows that I thought about them and I care about them and I want them to have something, rather than spending a lot of money and kind of them being disappointed. Or because I've gone in the past and I've really like invested and, you know, like spent a lot on things, and like people have not been so receptive. And I know that's not why you give gifts, but I also kind of want to be mindful of the real reason you give gifts, which is to celebrate and appreciate someone. So in this category of everyone else, I am giving $50, and that also may go up, because the more I like think about it, I'm like, oh, I want to get something for this person or this person or this person. So that's the area where I will sit down and make a list of all the people, and I would venture to say there would be close to like 50 or 60 people in that category. But I know, because I know I love just getting like tokens, and it means a lot to me. So, and especially last year, because it meant a lot to me to like get things from people like I wouldn't have thought of me, and they did, and I was like really touched. So I would like to do something like that this year. So in this category, I kind of put down things that I have ideas for. So I'm going to do cookies, and I'm going to do 3 different kinds of cookies. Oatmeal, raisin, sugar, and pepperkakor, which is a Swedish cookie. It's my mom's favorite, and it's like a spice cookie. She absolutely loves it, and I asked her this year if she wanted me to make them, because it's kind of like it takes a lot of work and whatever, and she's like, yes, she wanted them. So I was like, okay. I will make those for everyone, and then for her as well. The second food item is Chex Mix. So, you know, you got sweet, you got savory. So those are my 2 food items. And I just put them in like a bag with a note and a ribbon and Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, as the case may be. So that's my second food item. And the third is going to be, I want to do something with like a star ornament. And I've been looking for cute DIYs. So if you know of any like cute crafty type things for gifts, like that are small but like cute, let me know, because I'm in the market. I'm looking for that. So that area, that again has $50. And then the last category is cards, and I'm going to put about $40 to that. People have been talking about doing a Christmas card exchange, and that sounds interesting, and I'd kind of like to be involved in that. I'm debating getting a post office box for that reason. So TBD, still thinking about that. So this is my draft gift budget. It's going in the binder, set for the moment. Any changes need to be approved. We need to have a quorum to approve any changes. So that is, again, my budget, and thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any fun Christmas ideas, like gifty ideas, because I'm going to be doing a lot of DIY this season, because that everyone else category is going to be pretty big, because there are a lot of people that I want to say thank you to this year. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll keep watching.